Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and take on the challenge of predicting whether REBN stock will skyrocket in 2025. REBN has been on a wild ride. Its stock price is heavily influenced by Trump movements, regulatory news, and company earnings. Recently, we saw recent $5.09 due to relevant market events. But what's next? REBN stock has been on many investors' radars lately, and for good reason. As we head into 2025, the question on everyone's mind is whether this stock has the potential to truly take off. Today, we're going to dive into the world of REBN, exploring the challenges it faces, the factors that could influence its performance, and what the experts are saying about its future. One of the biggest challenges facing REBN stock right now is the current state of the market. With investors becoming increasingly cautious, it's no secret that many stocks are taking a hit. REBN is no exception, with its stock price experiencing some significant fluctuations in recent months. Add to that the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, which has disrupted global supply chains and led to widespread economic uncertainty, and it's clear that REBN is facing some serious headwinds. Another major challenge facing REBN is its company-specific issues. From recent leadership shakeups to ongoing concerns about its business model, there are certainly some red flags that investors need to be aware of. And let's not forget the intense competition in the industry, with bigger players vying for market share and leaving smaller companies like REBN struggling to keep up. But despite these challenges, REBN has shown some promising signs of late. From its recent quarterly earnings report to its renewed focus on innovation and expansion, there are certainly some reasons to be optimistic about the company's future. However, only time will tell if these efforts will ultimately pay off for investors. When it comes to the factors that could influence REBN stock's performance in 2025, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First and foremost, the industry trends are certainly working in REBN's favor. With growing demand for its products and services, the company is well positioned to capitalize on this trend and drive growth in the coming year. Additionally, REBN's financial metrics are looking strong, with increasing revenue and decreasing debt. And let's not forget the expert opinions, with many analysts predicting a bright future for the company. Of course, no analysis of REBN stock would be complete without mentioning its valuation. With a current price-to-earnings ratio that's significantly lower than its industry average, REBN is certainly looking like a more attractive option for value investors. And with its recent dividend payout increase, income investors are also taking notice. But what about the risks? Well, one of the biggest risks facing REBN stock is its reliance on a few key customers. If any of these customers were to jump ship, it could have a significant impact on the company's bottom line. Additionally, there are ongoing concerns about REBN's ability to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. So, what's the verdict? Will REBN stock skyrocket in 2025? While there are certainly some compelling arguments for and against, my analysis suggests that the company is well positioned to make some significant gains in the coming year. Of course, as with any investment, there are no guarantees, but for those willing to take on a bit of risk, REBN could be a very attractive option. In conclusion, REBN stock is certainly one to watch in 2025. While it faces some significant challenges, the company's strong financials, promising industry trends, and expert opinions all suggest that it has the potential to make some serious gains. Whether or not it ultimately skyrockets remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure, it's going to be an exciting ride. So, what do you think? Will REBN stock skyrocket in 2025? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my related videos for more investment insights.